Hi, I am Roy. Now I am make a short introduction of YH1006A145 welding robot. Designed for precision welding, the YH1006A145 features a 6-axis configuration with plus or minus 0.05 mm repeatability, and for harsh environments. Powered by LNC, it supports 8-axis servo motors and integrates the Sino driver for rapid, stable responses. Key highlights: optimized welding performance, advanced architecture, smart control cabinet, flexible installation, ideal for high-efficiency welding applications. The YH1006A145 combines reliability, speed, and modular adaptability, backed by Yehardt's rigorous quality standards.